Greetings! My name is Daran Wallman, and I'm a practicing shaman, sound therapist, and intuitive counselor. Part of my practice is teaching people how to play the didgeridoo as a joyful, empowering, healing way to combine breath therapy, meditation, and expression. I have made this series of short videos in a very specific sequence that I have found to be very effective. In this lesson, we will be learning how to make the basic lip vibration that creates the fundamental sound of the didgeridoo. It's called the drone. So all we're doing is we'll be taking a deep breath and letting our lips flutter. I'll just demonstrate. Just like that. This is also called the raspberry, like blowing a raspberry, or like when we were little boys making a motorboat sound. We do that. So what we're doing that sound, we're doing that vibration, not vocals. I'm not humming like that. I'm just making the lip vibration with my breath. So again, I want to take a nice deep belly breath. And make that vibration sound. Now, a lot of people will have some difficulty with this. And if we're not able to sustain this for very long, our lips are too loose, and we're going like that. That's kind of more of a hoarse, like we don't want that. We want to be able to do this for a length of time. So if I find that I'm not able to do this very long, I want to tighten my lips a little more. The way I tighten my lips, I squeeze them together and just pull my cheeks back like I'm smiling a little bit. So as I make the drone sound, as I make the raspberry sound, taking a deep breath. Notice how I kind of pull the cheeks in and use these muscles just to make the lips a little tighter. Or I want to purse my lips. I also like to use the analogy that imagine we're little and we have to kiss somebody who smokes a cigar or chews tobacco or something, and it's like, ooh, and our pucker is so tight, like that. So I make that tight pucker on when I'm blowing the air to cause that vibration. Now, the main goal of doing this is to be able to take a deep belly breath and hold that vibration for at least 10 seconds. So we'll do that right now. So I've taken that deep belly breath. Perfect. You can also play with alternating the air pressure. So you can alternate the air pressure from a little stronger to a little softer, and even make a little bit of a rhythm just to play and have fun with this. So an example would be so again, that's the basic lip vibration that makes the drone sound of the didgeridoo. I hope you found this video helpful. For more videos and information, please subscribe or visit my website. Feel better, sleep better, breathe better. Play the didgeridoo. Thank you.